This is the kind of device that quietly redefines what a screen can be without trying too hard to impress with raw numbers. The LG StanbyME 2 is built around a simple idea: take away the limitations of cables and fixed placement, and suddenly a display becomes something much more personal. Instead of being stuck in one corner of your room, this moves with you wherever you need it, and that alone changes the entire experience. From the moment you see it, the design feels intentional, it's minimal, clean, and blends naturally into your environment rather than looking like a traditional piece. Of tech. The addition of the folio cover makes it even more practical, giving you a way to carry and protect it almost like a large tablet, but with the presence of a full-size display. What really stands out, though, is the level of adjustability. The stand is incredibly versatile. You can rotate the screen, tilt it, raise or lower it, and even switch to portrait mode in seconds. That means whether you're watching videos, scrolling social media, following a recipe, or joining a call, you can always position it exactly how you want. And once you get used to that level of control, it becomes hard to go back to anything static. The 27-inch panel feels like the perfect middle ground. It's big enough to feel immersive, but still manageable enough to move around without effort. With support for Dolby Vision HDR10 and Filmmaker mode, you're getting a viewing experience that looks vibrant, balanced, and true to the original content. This isn't built for esports or high-end creative workflows, but for movies, shows, and everyday use. It delivers exactly what you need. The built-in battery is what truly unlocks the potential here. No need to stay close to a power outlet, no messy cables, just pick it up and place it wherever it makes sense for you. Whether you're watching something in bed, using it in the kitchen, or moving it between rooms, it adapts instantly. Battery life is solid for typical sessions, and more importantly, it gives you the freedom to not think about charging constantly. On the smart side, everything is already integrated. Popular streaming apps are ready to go, so you can jump straight into your favorite content without connecting extra devices. The touchscreen adds another level of convenience, allowing you to interact directly with the display in a natural way. Tap, swipe, scroll, it feels intuitive, especially in more casual use cases. And if you want to mirror content from your phone or laptop, casting works smoothly without complicated setup. Audio is good enough for personal use, clear voices, decent volume, and perfectly fine for watching shows or listening to music casually. It's not meant to replace a dedicated speaker system, but it complements the overall experience well. This kind of product is not about chasing specs, it's about improving everyday usability. It's for people who want flexibility in how they use their screen. Perfect for smaller living spaces, shared environments, or anyone who values convenience over a fixed setup. It also works great as a secondary display, something you can move around depending on what you're doing without committing to a permanent position. There are a few trade-offs. Brightness could be better in very bright environments, and it's not designed for high refresh rate gaming. But those aren't deal breakers, because that's not what this is trying to be. This is about making technology feel more adaptable, more human, and less restricted. And in that sense, it delivers something genuinely different. Once you experience a screen that follows your routine instead of forcing you to adjust yours, it's hard to ignore the difference. If you want to explore more about this device, you can find the link in the description.